Open any fitness magazine or scroll through your favorite social media feed, and you'll see endless ads for muscle-building supplements. From protein powders and creatine to BCAAs, pre-workouts, and magic pills. With every product claiming to be the secret to bigger muscles and faster gains, how do you separate fact from hype? In this video, we reveal the truth about muscle-building supplements, what works, what doesn't, and how to use supplements safely and effectively for real results. The magic pill mentality, why supplements aren't a shortcut. The supplement industry is booming, with the global muscle-building supplement market projected to reach nearly $9 billion by 2033. This surge is fueled by fitness influencers, aggressive marketing, and the hope that a single product can transform your physique overnight. But here's the truth. No supplement can replace hard work, proper nutrition, and consistent training. Many beginners fall into the magic pill trap, thinking that supplements alone will build muscle. In reality, supplements are just that, supplementary. They can provide a slight edge, but only if you already have your fundamentals in place. A solid workout program, a balanced diet, enough sleep, and proper hydration. Do you need supplements to build muscle? Supplements are not essential for muscle growth. Most people can meet their nutritional needs through whole foods, especially with a well-planned diet. However, certain supplements can help fill gaps or provide a performance boost for those who train hard and want to maximize their progress. Let's break down the most common muscle-building supplements and what science says. 1. Creatine monohydrate. What it is: a naturally occurring compound found in red meat and fish and produced by your body. What it does: increases energy for high-intensity exercise, boosts strength, and supports muscle growth. Does it work? Yes. Creatine is the most researched and effective muscle-building supplement, shown to enhance strength, power, and muscle size when combined with resistance training. Who benefits? Athletes and lifters with established training routines. Vegetarians and vegans may see even greater benefits, as their diets are typically lower in creatine. Safety. Generally safe when used as directed, but always consult your doctor before starting any supplement. Trending keywords: creatine, creatine monohydrate, best muscle-building supplements, gym supplements. 2. Whey protein and protein powders. What it is: a convenient, high-quality protein source derived from milk or plants. What it does: helps you meet daily protein goals for muscle repair and growth, especially if you struggle to get enough from food alone. Does it work? Yes, but only if your diet is lacking in protein. Most people already get enough protein through their diet. Who benefits? Busy individuals, those with higher protein needs, or people on plant-based diets. Trending keywords: protein powder, whey. 3. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. What it is: essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. What it does: supports muscle protein synthesis and reduces muscle soreness. Does it work? Mixed results. Most people get adequate BCAAs from their diet. Who benefits? Individuals with low protein intake or those training intensely. Safety. Generally safe but unnecessary if protein intake is sufficient. Trending keywords: BCAAs, amino acids, muscle recovery. 4. Pre-workout supplements. What it is: products designed to boost energy and performance before training. What it does: increases focus, energy, and endurance during workouts. Does it work? Yes, for many users due to ingredients like caffeine. Who benefits? Those needing an extra energy boost for intense training sessions. Safety. Can cause jitters or insomnia if taken too late in the day. Trending keywords: pre-workout, workout energy, performance boosters. Safety and effective use of supplements is paramount. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Stick to recommended dosages and choose reputable brands to ensure quality and safety. In conclusion, while muscle-building supplements can offer benefits and support your fitness goals, they are not a replacement for hard work, proper nutrition, and consistent training. Use supplements wisely as part of a comprehensive fitness plan to achieve real and sustainable results.